Hello guys, welcome back to Ganesha Astrology. I am Ganesh Shanbag. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can get latest update of upcoming video. Till now we have learned about functional benefic and functional malefic planet for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer and Leo ascendant. Today we will learn about functional benefic and functional malefic planet for Virgo ascendant. Virgos are always devoted to their family, nurturing, orderly and rule binding. They are very hardworking, detail oriented and logical. They are one with tic-tac mind, methodical, noticing smallest and finer details. They are perfectionists. They are open to helping others. They are good at giving advice. For them, work is worship. They seek perfectionist and won't stop until they achieve it. Jupiter, Moon, Mercury, and Venus are natural benefic planets, and Saturn, Mars, Rahu, and Ketu are natural malefic planets. But in Vedic astrology, depending on ascendant, these planets change their nature from malefic to benefic and from benefic to malefic. There are four principles for studying about functional benefic and functional malefic for each ascendant. Principle number 1. Trines or Trikona Lord always gives good result. Principle number 2. If Kendra Lord are natural malefic, they give good result. And if Kendra Lord are natural benefic, then it will give bad result, as it causes Kendradipati dosha. Principle number 3. Lord of 3rd house, 6th house and 11th house always gives bad result. Principle number 4. Lord of 2nd house, 8th house and 12th house are neutral. Although 8th and 12th house are Dusthana house. This principle we have to apply for all ascendant to find out which planet is functional benefic or functional malefic. Sun is the lord of 12th house, house of loss, expenses, ashram and hospitalization. So, Sun is considered as inauspicious planet and functional malefic for Virgo ascendant. Moon. Moon is the lord of 11th house. As per our rule number 3, lord of 3rd house, 6th house and 11th house always gives bad result. So, Moon is considered as functional malefic for Virgo ascendant. Mars. Mars is deadly enemy of Mercury, ascendant lord. Mars also rules 8th house, Dusana house, house of sudden ups and down obstacles. Mars also rules 3rd house. As per our rule number 3, Lord of 3rd house, 6th house and 11th house always gives bad result. So, for Virgo ascendant, Mars is most powerful malefic planet. Mercury. Mercury is the ascendant lord of Virgo ascendant. And Mool Trikona Rashi of Mercury is Virgo. So, Mercury, if well placed, will give native good personality and health. But Mercury also rules 10th house. Being benefic, natural benefic, and Kendra Lord, it has a Kendradipati dosha. But as Mercury is ascendant Lord, it will give somewhat good result. Jupiter is the Lord of 7th house and 10th house for Virgo ascendant. That is two Kendra houses. As per our rule number 2, if Kendra Lord, being benefic planet, has a Kendradipati dosha. Secondly, Jupiter never goes well with Mercury. Jupiter being Lord of 7th house is Marka Lord. So it gives death-like suffering in his dasha. So Jupiter is considered as a functional benefic for Virgo ascendant. Venus. Venus is the lord of ninth house, trine house, Bhagyakarak planet for Virgo ascendant. Secondly, Venus is the best friend of Mercury, ascendant lord. Venus is also the ruler of second house, house of wealth, family. So, in Venus Dasa, native will achieve riches, fame, fortune, and prosperity. So, Venus is considered as a best natural functional benefic for Virgo ascendant. Saturn. Saturn gives mixed result for Virgo ascendant. Saturn is the fifth lord. Trine house. It is a trine house. Fifth house is a trine house. House of Bhagya. Saturn gives very auspicious result. But Saturn is also the sixth house, sixth lord. House of death, disease, hard work. But being trine lord, Saturn generally gives good result, success after hard work and struggle. Secondly, Saturn is the best friend of Mercury. So, Saturn, if well placed in good dignity, usually gives good result for Virgo ascendant. So, Saturn is considered as a functional benefic for Virgo ascendant. Rahu and Ketu are shadow planet and always gives somewhat bad result. From this, we can conclude that for Virgo ascendant, Venus being the lord of ninth house, that is, house of fortune, destiny and bhagya, is very auspicious planet. In his dasha, Venus will give very auspicious result, fame, riches, wealth and to the native. Second best planet for Virgo ascendant is Saturn. Saturn is the ruler of fifth house of creativity and Puru Punyai. So, Saturn is second best functional benefic for Virgo ascendant. Mars. Mars is deadly enemy of Virgo ascendant lord Mercury. Secondly, Mars owns two bad houses, that is third house and the eighth house. So, Mars is considered most powerful functional malefic for Virgo ascendant. Sun is the lord of 12th house. 12th house of loss, expenses and hospitalization. So, Sun is considered to be functional malefic for Virgo ascendant. Jupiter owns two Kendra house and being natural benefic has Kendradipati dosha. So, Jupiter is considered as a functional malefic for Virgo ascendant. Moon is the lord of 11th house, which is bad house. So, Moon is also considered to be functional malefic for Virgo ascendant. Lastly, Rahu and Ketu are shadow planets, so always gives bad result. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.